So now we'll see about the superficial lymphatics. There are two subcutaneous lymphatic plexus, one on the dorsum. So here you have one, the other one in the palmar. The digital lymph vessels, they join with the dorsal plexus, which also receives vessels from the distal palmar plexus through the webs of the finger. The lymphatic channels of both sets of plexus accompany the basilic and the cephalic vein. The vessels are draining the medial side of the hand and the forearm. They follow the basilic vein. So this is the basilic vein. They follow the basilic vein and they are intercepted mostly by the supratrochlear nodes, which lie slightly above the medial epicondyle. The efferent vessels from the supratrochlear lymph node, they drain into the lateral group of axillary lymph nodes.